In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop people from sending friend requests on Facebook. It is a very simple process. For this, open your Facebook application, and once you are open your Facebook application, then click the three horizontal line on the upper right corner. Tap on this, and now scroll down a little bit. Now tap on settings and privacy, and from here tap on settings, and now scroll down and find out privacy settings, and here we are. Tap on privacy settings. Now scroll down, and now you will see an option called who can send you friend request. Tap on this, and here it said that who can send you friend request. Now you have to select friends of friends, so I'm gonna tap on this, and from now random people will not able to send you friend request on Facebook. Only friends of friends can send you friend request. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.